Hi folks, my name is Greg Bauman and I'm here to do a product review on the Surge SX10 waterproof headphones. They come in this little box right here. They retail for less than $50 and they fit very snugly in your ear because they're designed for swimmers. They have a very low profile protrusion, and I'm going to turn around here so you can see the standard audio jack. It's on a very short cord, which allows it to exit the bottom of your helmet at about the perfect length for connecting your audio system. As you can see here, the H2O communication system has a standard audio jack for the helmet speakers. Now, the reason I needed an alternative to the in-helmet speakers was simply because my helmets weren't comfortable with those speakers protruding against my ears. I have other friends that wear hearing aids and they have a hard time hearing their in-helmet speakers. And I still have other friends whose in-helmet speakers are too far away from their ears and really don't have good audio quality just because of the distance of the speaker to their ear. And the solution to my problem and the problem some of my friends have is to wear earbuds underneath your helmet. Then I came across the H2O Audio SX10s with the short cord. I decided to give them a try, and I'm glad I did. My helmet audio problems are over, and I spent less than $50, and I was initially a little bit worried that I had thrown $350 away on my H2O. I went this route for less than $50. I was able to salvage the investment that I made in my H2O helmet communication system. Well, the key to donning your helmet with the earbuds in place is a helmet beanie. Now, I've been riding with helmet beanies for many years, so it's not an added inconvenience for me. And the reason the helmet beanie works so good is it helps to tuck the wires behind your ear, and it helps the earbuds to stay securely in place while you're putting your helmet on. So I'll demonstrate again by putting your helmet beanie on, making sure you pull it over the majority of your ear so it tucks the wire away, and then you should be able to slide your helmet right on. I've got the helmet on, the earbuds are still in place, and now I simply have to connect the standard audio jack, but it's quite simple. I can do it without any assistance at all. The beauty behind these earplugs is that they were designed for swimmers and they provide a very tight seal in your ear. On a motorcycle, that translates to filtering out a lot of unwanted noise like wind noise, road noise. If your tires sing loudly on my Venture bike, that's a big problem. The clarity is excellent for rider-to-rider communications, rider-to-passenger communications, listening to music, and following turn-by-turn instructions from my nav system, or taking a phone call. I still have the built-in microphone because the earbuds do not have a built-in microphone. Once you've disconnected your headphones from your helmet communication system, simply store them in the handy pouch provided by H2O Audio in the box. So the only caveat that I'll add is to make sure that the helmet communication system that you're going to plug into uses a standard audio jack. Now, for those of you who may want to use these headphones in conjunction with an MP3 player, or perhaps just plugged into your phone that you store in your jacket pocket while you're riding, or maybe on a handlebar mount, H2O Audio does provide the same headphones with a longer cord that would enable you to do so. I want to thank you for listening to this review. I also want to invite you to watch some of the other videos that are on my channel, Moto Vita on YouTube. There's something in there for just about every motorcycle enthusiast. So thanks for watching, and remember, ride to live and live to ride.